So they say the sounds of it fall was an adulthood born. The next little child's favourite and out of grey, innocent victims of their story. Like Romeo and Juliet, just written in the stars before I even met. That love and fate and a touch of stability would draw them both. And love and living happily, the endings are often a little bit gory. I wonder why they didn't just change that story. But all we have to do when we're told about surely. Sometimes you have to be a little bit